Super Bowl tonight. You know, ride with the birds all day, okay? While you're tweeting me, let's keep this music